Neema Education Foundation is among the pioneers of digital education in Nepal and is specially targeted towards school students and teachers. We aim to digitize the education system by bringing schools, teachers, and students onto a common platform to help ease communication and improve the overall learning process. Citing the restrictions as a result of COVID-19, we began conducting online training and interaction sessions for teachers and parents. Our sessions recorded positive developments, and despite the closure of educational institutions, we helped open avenues for uninterrupted learning through our relearning platform. Our journey started with just 2 schools and 50 teachers in June 2020. By November of the same year, we broadened our reach over 80 schools and successfully trained over 2,500 teachers, and created a positive impact on many more students by helping continue their education. We still have a long way to go and include many more educators and students into our revolutionary digital education system. You can also be a part of this digital change. All you need is to simply subscribe to Neemacademy.